Kick down the line here. Good looking ball. Jenkins might get a free. And he does. Jenkins gets a free well within range. And the umpire's been very lenient. And he can come back around further here.
I reckon Grundy would be thinking that was 6 of one, half a dozen of the other, that contest. We'll have another look. Right of screen.
Both holding each other, the old typical forward thing.
Didn't look to be much there, but we didn't see the start of it.
Well, they've had 2 or 3 cracks at it. They've only been able to trim it back to the 23, 24, 25 points. It's out of bounds on the full. Gee. Crowd thought it was. I thought it was, but Matty Crouch has been paid the mark. Umpire said has to go back around Buddy Franklin. Taylor Walker wanted it, went long. Eddie and Smith. Smith and Eddie. A hand over the shoulder. Eddie Betts gets the free. Huge decision. 25-point margin. This to get it under 20.
His mistake there, Nick Smith, was that he took his eyes off the ball and looked at Eddie Betts, but there it is again. Forwards do that so often where they stiff arm back and hold the jumper, and it never gets seen, ever.
Here is Betts. 25-metre kick. It's a goal. They've got it under 20 points.
Just haven't been able to get through tonight, the Crows.
Tex a long high ball down the line. Jenkins at the back. He's clearly got no jump at all. Jenkins, he does look to be labouring under that ankle. Adelaide's ball here. Laidley.
Mr. Clarkson, who'd have thought, reduced to a face in the crowd, just looking on tonight.
Selwood's free kick.
A chance for Selwood to get their first goal, or first look at goal.
That's interesting, this one, because Stanley opts to have the shot and the free kick. So the free's paid, he has the shot, so they almost get 2 bites of the cherry. It was paid for Luke Parker, just throwing Joel Selwood to the ground. It was both players going at it, wasn't it? It was body on body, but Parker just probably made it look a bit too obvious.
And Dangerfield finding the footy. He had 18 back in round 16. He's got 14 now.
That's a mark for me. Bad decision by the umpire there. He's brought that all the way down. Tom Papley, that is a mark.
Selwood picks himself up, dusts simply.
Hanbury releases Jones, runs through midfield. That's not a good kick. Or is it? Rowan, well, it was touched by the man who went up with him, Kolajasny. Now he'll get a ball.
Is he right? Geelong hands first. Over the back, got it first then.
Whoa.
Saka made a...
Consider himself unlucky there, Gary Rowan. You usually see those paid. He appeared to be the man in front.
He needs
forward. See, they're probably...
That should have been a free kick.
Lucky, for sure.
I actually thought the umpire had paid it. I thought everybody stopped. Should have been a free kick to Sydney there, but they get the goal.
Well, that's a definite free kick.
in a month for players to forge some reputations. Brilliant in the end. Heaney front spot. Not awarded the mark. He had it a long time. Scully, desperate kick into the middle of the ground. Smith had it covered. Awkward sort of a bounce. Green over the top. Lovely weighted ball to Jeremy Cameron.
That's a bad decision, that.
Brilliant. Mitchell is up to 13. Here's Jones out of the congestion. Hamling leads Franklin, but he is bearing down. Did he take him high? Well, play on's the call. It's in there somewhere. Franklin perhaps could have been rewarded with a free kick. Nothing doing. Added momentarily. Dalhouse went in hard. Socket off the ground by Hunter. Wide of the pack, Cordy. He was taken down. Jack over the top now. Bulldogs are getting a free kick there. I think it'll be Toby McLean in that pack. But now, as you'd expect, with less than a minute to go, Sydney are swamping back.
That's a big call. That's that prohibitive contact below the knees that could go the other way, but Toby McLean will get the free kick. You could argue that one to the cows come home duck, which way it should be paid.
Anderson with the outside of the boot. Bontempelli will fly, got hands to it, didn't hang on. Hanbury pushed to the back, surely. No free kick. Wow.
I went down next to him.
Hatley had a chance, but Biggs takes the ball away, up towards the wing. Stringer. Morris involved there as well for that takeaway. Meanwhile, Grampy goes back. He's claimed by Dalhouse. And did he take too long? He did.
Gee, what a passage of footy we just saw. That whole minute and a half was remarkable stuff.
And that's against the trend by the umpire there. They've normally let that go. They've let the players take on the tackler.
Dalehouse to fall forward. Heaney, big fly, no mark. So Clay Smith, the hero of last week. Now is this? Well, gee.
Just one of those unlucky ones. What about Dale Morris at the other end? That is superb. Won the ball back for his team. It's the reason why Smith's having a shot.
4 goals last week. 1 goal in the grand final. The Dogs back in front. Well, it's too early to call, but it's one of the great ones. It's a long way to go, and it might blow out, but we thought we might see something like we're seeing today. Where's Henneberry? Is he all right? He's in trouble.
I don't think he's going to be okay at all. He's clutched his knee. He's in agony at the moment, and the trainers are carrying him off the ground, and it should have been a free kick too.
Yep.
Gee, what a story there.
Smith, kicked by Dunkley to the opposite pocket. Close to the boundary, surely a free kick for Rampy. Nothing doing. Taken by Grundy. Kicks it outside the 50, Johannesson. Wrong puts his opponent, McGlynn. Runs to the logo. He's a long kick, is Johannesson. I think he's put it through. Johannesson has kicked the goal. The boy from East Fremantle.